Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will show you how to change a beautiful blogger template. Just look like this and look like the others template. That is look very professional template that you look like you are a coder, but in fact that is not. So to do this you need to sign in to your blogger account just like this and go to sign in here, put your Gmail account and sign in with your blogger.com. Just go to this website link and now the next that we're gonna do is you go to google-search.com just like that, and now go to find and type the keyword just like bloggers template. So go ahead and click on that, and here is the thousands of websites that you can find any beautiful blogger template that you should be used and should be looks very professional. But I recommend you to use the blogger just seen in below here because it is very supported to the Google AdSense code. So if you don't I recommend you to use all of this sim because it is very support with AdSense code. But if you look you want to look more professional and beautiful on your bloggers blogspot, you need to be changed and find it all source in the Google search is go to image and see everything that you think you want to use all of them. So choose one among of them, for example, just like this. And here is the link that you can click through from Google search and visit the site, and you will see the download buttons among of that. Okay, now I'm gonna use my other one that is called Quick Mix here because it looks very professional and beautiful also. So you can search it in a quick make free, the same to me, just like that. Don't worry about it guys because it is very free. Everything is free, and CHHUOY.net is, and this one is also free to download it from the website, and the link is you will found inside. So now just goes ahead and download it. After you download it, you will see the zip file like this. So right click on that and then extract here. Okay, and here is the folder that we just downloaded from the internet, and you will see the template on the top corner here. Okay, after you see it, you need to click on that and drag it to your desktop here. The file is look like an XML file document, so you make sure that you are using an XML file just like that. Here is an XML document, so drag it like this, and now we go to your bloggers.blogs here, blogspot here, and then go to the sim here, go to sim, and then you will see this one in blogger 2021. You will see this, or it should be 2022. And now go ahead and click on the drop down icon here, and then you will see the word restore. But I recommend you to back up everything before you can install the other blogger, because if you back up, you will be restore it to avoid something that can be lost after you add a new blogger template. So I recommend you to back up this one first. So click on that and you will see the download here, and so pop-up icon if you have something that is blocked pop-ups. And after you have been downloaded, it look like your file is appearing here. So go ahead and click on show folders. After you see on show folder, you need to drag it to your any place, anywhere that you can keep it for using at the next time. So now this one and this one is different names. It one is quick make and the other is your same. Just download it. Okay, now go back to this place and now click on restore and then click on upload, and you will find out uh, on the desktop because we have put them in the desktop. So you will find the quick make here XML. Okay, now click on the same that you want to use. So click on pan it, and then everything is restoring in the path here, and wait for a few seconds. Okay, now all of them is already installed, but we need to close this one for the Blogger 2021. So close this first and then click on this one to view. Okay, it now everything is looks very professional, and it is look very like a beautiful magazine inside. So this one is very good also, and you have all this menu here, and the next time I will show you how to create some drop down menus, and I will show you how to add page or anything that related to your the bloggers blogspot. And okay guys, and now after you have seen this, and if you think you don't like it, you can restore it back with your older template. So now I will show you how to restore your older template to get back your data. Now go to blogger.com again, go to this page again, and now click on this one and click on restore. And then the next time is you need to upload your old blogger that you have been already restore or backup was a few moments ago. So, and here is the way that you can restore everything, like them posting or anything inside your blogger that you think you are love it. So here is the way that you can get back your blogger. So keep it for a safe place inside your Windows drive. And now click on that if you don't like the quick make free version. So you need to click on that, and the restoring is appearing now. And you need to do to close this and click on preview here. And now you see it, everything is returned now, or everything, all everything. But this is my apply code that I have put it inside my HTML, so it can be loaded. And now click it again, you will see everything are returned, but it not have any menu here. So thank you for watching, and next time I will show you how to add the drop down menus to your blogspot website. So thank you for watching this video tutorial.